Welcome to the CryptoNest. Alright, so Cronos, it's really skyrocketing now. So once again, we have a diagonal ABC for a wave 1. We have a wave 2 here. I could also say this was a 1, 2 or a 1, 2 here. And I have another 1, 2 here. It started to be very bullish, but if I'm more conservatory, I would say this was the one. This is A, B, and a C for a wave 2 in green, circle green. And then here we had, I'm not sure if I want to call this an A, and this was an A overshooting wave B and a C. I think it doesn't look that good, right? So I would say this was the A. We had the B, and now we're working into this C. So once again, A, B, and C. Let me go and do the ratio now. If this is the wave A, and this is the wave C, C on the left. Oh, it did move a little bit. So we're aiming for the 1-to-1 ratio once again. Didn't do any label yet. So once again, A, B, and C for discount. So we already reached the 0.786 fib extension and we're going higher. I would say 30 cents would be a very nice level now. And if I zoom out, this is great because you can see that when I did the bigger, let me go on the 12 hours. If I do the big fib retracement, which one day wasn't enough, okay, the bigger fib retracement I'm doing here, it's from the top to the bottom, and you can see that now, sorry if I'm moving a lot, we are getting to the 0.618 fib retracement. So it's great, it's good, I'm very happy with that. Let's remember that I am I will start to consider taking some profits when I will see another high. So I'm expecting this fourth wave here, and after that a fifth one. Now I cannot calculate the fifth one until I don't. Well, first of all, this third wave is not finished yet. Then we're going to have a fourth, ideally, and ideally we're going to have another higher high. And this, to me anyway, would be probably the top of this cycle. Maybe I'm wrong, we shall see. I'm going to be super happy if I'm wrong, but I'm going to start to take personally some profits, take back the capital I injected, and take a partial profits, and maybe let's run the rest if we can go higher. So for the moment, what I'm saying, ideally, it would go a little bit higher, 30 cents, 5. What was the maximum it went today? 29 cents. I mean, they were damn close. So could this third wave be finished? Absolutely yes. It can. In fact, I don't remember which one was it. I think Solana, that the pullback stopped at 0.786. Wave C, are not perfect on our way up or on our way down. So this is us fighting once again with our greediness. Now, if I zoom out a little bit more, it's going to be a little bit easier. In a case that this is the top of this third wave, would it be crazy to consider taking some profits? So this is a question now I'm asking myself. Move a little bit more on the side. I'm going to put discount in white. So for a fourth wave, and also this is diagonal. So we could go back to worst case scenario 12 cents 8, best case scenario 21 cents, ideally 17 cents. That's a lot of potential loss. Potential. So, well, now we all need to do our work. Remember yesterday, was it yesterday or 2 days ago? I think it was yesterday. I did a fib and I said, if price hold and doesn't go below the 0.5, it can still go higher. And I calculated this spike here, right? So now, well, I just did that, right? So I'm going to calculate the latest spike here and do the same. So if it keep going higher, fine. But if it goes below 25.7 cents, it could be possible that it's going to start to work into a correction. I'm going to put an alarm here. Yeah, if it does that, I think I'm going to start to take profits and possibly scale back in lower. All right, so this is my view on this movement in Cronos. Can it go higher? Well, it can, but I try to be reasonable and taking and start to get the routine of taking profits. Now, this is my strategy. You need to look and decide for your own strategy what make you happy, what can make you sleep happily, and not waking up during the night to check your crypto. Or if there is a big movement up or down that you start to panic, it means you are over leveraged, you don't have a good strategy of risk management. Alright, so hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and have a good day. Bye.